Hello, my name is Gracelyn.
Micah. Edward. Cooper.
Today is Friday, November 14th, 2025, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, thank you to the men and the women who have served our country and have made sacrifices for our freedom. We had the Marine Corps out on school November 11th to explain that each fold of the flag meant. The midterm ends today, Friday, November 14th. Finalized midterm grades will be in Skyward on Wednesday, November 19th. The last day for the $17 yearbook price is November 30th. The price will increase to $20 on December 1st.
Pre-K focused on nursery rhymes this week. They used blocks to build chairs and bridges.
Kindergarten began their new PLTW module on force and motion. They learned about the amount of force needed to make different objects move with some of their fun activities. Their favorites were the rocket launchers.
First grade worked on building different animals out of leaves. They planned by drawing the animals, then they collected leaves and created their animals.
Second grade began a new PLTW module, Form and Function. They learned how important an object's form is and how it functions. They learned how an insect's form aids in pollination and how important pollination is to us.
In library, we are reading Junie B. Jones and The Monster Under the Bed. With first grade, The Year I Flew Away. With second through fourth, and King Kong's Cousin with kindergarten.
In computer science, we are on our way to finishing PLTW. Our classes are all working so hard to finish their scratch projects. I am so impressed.
The STEAM ambassadors made posters for World Kindness Day and for our Zero Drive. We also had 3 ambassadors lead us in the pledge for our Veterans Day program.
After school activities, club inventions, students created their own inventions to clean up an oil spill. They tested by running a feather through the water to see if any oil was still present. Robotics team is working hard to modify their robot. The second grade team completed their bot and were able to drive it and score. It will be a great year.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
We've got so many positive office referrals this week. We have Christina and Xavier from Ms. Dragonette, and both of them were extremely respectful to our veteran visitors during Veterans Day. So thank you, both of you, for doing exactly what we hope all of our students do. And Eli from Ms. Yates, and this Eli is in 3rd grade. He sang every song during the Veterans Day program, was respectful, and listened quietly throughout the whole thing. So thank you, Eli. And Dominic as well from Ms. Yates. She noticed the same thing about Dominic, so you guys are making us so proud. Abigail in Mr. Meyer's classroom. Abigail's always ready to learn and shows kindness and fairness to everyone. So congrats to all of you. After announcements are over, please come up for a book. We want to give a huge shout out to our PTO as well as the transportation department with Martinsville School District. One of the raffle ticket ideas was for students to be able to ride the Artie bus to school, and they got to do that this morning and they had a great time. So thank you to the transportation department as well as our PTO for setting that up.
Joke of the week. Why couldn't the cheetah play hide and seek?
Why?
He's always spotted.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy. See you next week.
Bye.